What if I told you, the best beginner camera in 2025 isn't from Canon or Sony? Dramatic pause. That's right, today, I'm revealing the top 5 cameras that make professional quality photography easy and affordable. Whether you're a vlogger, traveler, or just starting out, one of these will change your game. Oh, and guess what? The number 1 pick is half the price of a DSLR. All purchase links? Check the description. Let's dive in. Number 1. Canon EOS Rebel T7. The Canon Rebel series has been a fixture for first-timers for years, and with every iteration, it continues to demonstrate why. With the Canon Rebel T7, owners were finally granted a 24-megapixel sensor, up from 18 MP on previous models. The build quality is about what you would expect for the price, but out-of-the-box image quality is high for a camera in its class. Controls are adequate without being overwhelming, combining great one-click options with a deeper bench of advanced settings. The lack of a touchscreen is unfortunate, and for many smartphone users probably unthinkable, but the 3-inch LCD is bright and crisp. More appeal lies in the Bluetooth capability, making wireless transmission of images simple. This may seem like a relatively minor or expected feature, but these days many folks want to make sure they can share their photography as quickly as possible, and unfortunately, this is one area that most manufacturers have lagged quite far behind. So, it is worth noting Canon's Camera Connect app is simpler and more feature-rich than many of those on offer by competitors. Number 2. Nikon D7500. Positioned as a mid-range DSLR, the Nikon D7500 borrows many features from the higher-end D500 while remaining a step above the now discontinued D3XXX and D5XXX lines. Crafted with durable and lightweight carbon fiber, the Nikon D7500 features extensive weather sealing to protect against dust and moisture ingress, making it a reliable companion for outdoor and travel photography. At the heart of the D7500 is a 20.9-megapixel DX format CMOS sensor, which is the same sensor found in the more expensive D500, as well as all of Nikon's current APS-C mirrorless cameras. This sensor, in conjunction with Nikon's XP5 image processing engine, provides excellent image quality, high ISO performance, and fast processing speeds. The 51-point multi-CAM 3500 FX2 autofocus system, which has trickled down from the D500, is accurate, adept, and swift, especially when using Nikon's world-class 3D tracking. Number 3. Nikon Z50 or Nikon ZFC or Nikon Z30. There's no beating around the bush. These are some of my favorite cameras on this list and ones I have personally recommended to not just beginners but anyone who wants an easy-to-use camera on the go that won't break the bank. The Nikon Z50 and the Nikon ZFC, two cameras with different outward designs but virtually identical features and specs, do what they need to do, and they do it very well. While the Nikon Z50 sports a modern traditional mirrorless design, with a standard PASM dial, the ZFC goes all in on the retro aesthetic, and it does so very successfully. Shutter speed and ISO are readily at your fingertips on physical dials, and the aperture can be controlled either via a command dial or programmed to a ring on the lens. As with the Fujifilm X-T32, these physical dials can be an excellent way for beginners to master the exposure triangle. While the lenses lack dedicated aperture rings, the ZFC does include an ISO dial, which is lacking on the X-T32. It also includes a nice little f-stop window to show your current aperture setting, so all 3 exposure settings are still readily visible. Number 4. OM System or Olympus OMD-EM10. The OM System OMD-EM10 Mark IV with the 14 to 42mm easy lens is a perfect match for those who prefer a compact starting point. Its 20.3 MP Micro Four Thirds sensor, TruePic 8 image processor, UHD 4K video recording capabilities, and a 15 frames per second continuous shooting rate are all packed into a remarkably compact body. While a standard zoom lens is included, the EM10 Mark IV has a Micro Four Thirds interchangeable lens mount, allowing beginners to experiment with a wide variety of affordable and compact optics. The sensor employs a 121-point contrast detection AF system, with the same subject detection algorithms from the professional EM1 series, for fast and accurate focusing performance. The 5-axis sensor shift image stabilization compensates for approximately 4.5 stops of camera shake for sharper handheld shooting. The EM10 Mark IV, despite its impressively compact size, doesn't compromise on features. It offers a 3.0-inch 1.04 million touchscreen LCD with a 180-degree tilting design, a 2.36 million OLED electronic viewfinder, and built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for seamless connectivity. Priced at $799, it's a smart investment that beginners will appreciate. Number 5. Sony ZV1 or ZV1 II. Combining features from Sony's renowned RX100 series with enhancements that support video recording and content creation, the Sony ZV1 is a compact digital camera specifically designed with vloggers and content creators in mind. The design of the ZV1 is tailored for handheld video capture. It features a lightweight and compact body that is easy to carry and maneuver, making it ideal for shooting on the go. A Zeiss-branded 24-70mm, FF equivalent, f/1.8-2.8 lens makes for a great general-purpose camera. One of the standout design features is the side-flipping 3.0-inch touchscreen LCD, which is perfect for framing shots while facing the camera, and it simplifies operation, especially for solo content creators. At its core, the ZV1 is equipped with a 20.1-megapixel Type 1 XMR RS stacked CMOS sensor, the same sensor used in the RX100 models. Sony's Bionz X image processor powers the camera's excellent real-time tracking and real-time IAF. 315 phase detection autofocus points combined with 425 contrast detection points make for extraordinarily fast and accurate autofocus. Thanks to the stacked sensor and powerful processor, the camera is capable of an incredible 24 frames per second with continuous autofocus and auto exposure, and zero blackout. Video capabilities are a major highlight of the ZV1. It supports 4K video recording and offers features like active mode image stabilization, S-Log2 and S-Log3, HLG, hybrid log gamma, a front tally light, a large rec button on the top panel, and a built-in multidirectional 3-capsule mic with a dedicated windscreen. Another innovative feature is the product showcase setting, which optimizes settings for product reviews with smooth, quick focus shifts between the subject's face and the object in front of the camera. So, which camera are you grabbing first? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you find your perfect match, smash that like button, it really helps the channel. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell, because next week, we're exposing the biggest mistake beginners make when buying cameras. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Until then, keep shooting.